Dr. Suhas Shah is one of India's leading orthopedic surgeons and Russian surgery specialists. Since 1994, Dr. Shah is performing Russian surgery in Maharashtra. Until date, he has successfully done more than 1,000 operations. After becoming MS from Pune University, he obtained special education from the world's most experienced Russian surgery specialist, Dr. Pale Baltimore, and also took guidance from Italy's Professor Cattaneo and Cattani. Dr. Shah is renowned for his innovative ways of Russian surgery and has implemented them on various diseases. Knee pain can be completely cured by Russian surgery, and he has specialized in it. For the first time in India, Dr. Shah carried out surgery on diabetic neuropathy. He named this surgery as Elizarov angioplasty.
Cerebral palsy is one of the important conditions where Russian surgery can create miracles. Patients with cerebral palsy have difficulties in walking because of loss of balance, and they have got a fixed deformities in the knee joint. With Elizarov fixator, these deformities of the knee can be corrected and patient can regain his balance and can walk normally. Patients with deformities in the knee joint can be treated very well with Elizarov fixator, and once the deformity has been corrected, these patients of cerebral palsy can walk much better and they can regain the balance. Though cerebral palsy affected patients cannot get back the complete normality in their life because the damage has happened into the brain and their affection of the muscle function is defective. But Elizarov surgery can improve their walk, their balance, and patients after treatment with Elizarov fixator can walk much better than before surgery.